Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to download a database from Phpmyadmin, from your hosting. Okay, you can see there is a cPanel a new theme is here, and open your Phpmyadmin. Okay, it is take some time. The system will be redirected in a moment. Oh, okay. There is, you can see there is a lot of my database as here. I want to download this news app 3, this database. Okay, click the database, then you can see there is a lot of tables, and click I need to download all of these tables. Okay, this full database. Just click export and click the file format is SQL, it is the default one, then go. It is very simple. Now you can choose which download folder if you want to download this file. In case I'm choosing the default download folder and click the save button. The SQL data, it is downloaded. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.